Here is the difference between the Spanish words muy and mucho. We'll start with muy. Muy means very. Eres muy inteligente means you're very intelligent. Ella canta muy bien means she sings very well. Unlike mucho, muy has no other forms. You always say muy. The 4 different forms of mucho mean a lot of, much, or many. Mucho can be used as an adverb, just like muy, or as an adjective. When mucho is positioned after a verb and not followed by a noun, then it's an adverb. And adverbs, unlike adjectives, do not change according to the gender, masculine, feminine, or number, singular, plural. So when mucho is used as an adverb, just like muy, it doesn't change form. For example, trabajas mucho means you work a lot. El empresario viaja mucho means the businessman travels a lot. When mucho, or one of its different forms, appears in front of a noun, then it's an adjective. When mucho is an adjective, it agrees with the noun in both gender and number. If the noun is masculine singular, we say mucho. Tenemos mucho arroz. We have a lot of rice. If the noun is feminine singular, we say mucha. No hay mucha esperanza. There's not much hope. If the noun is masculine plural, we say muchos. Tienes muchos amigos. You have a lot of friends. And if the noun is feminine plural, we say muchas. El libro tiene muchas páginas. The book has many pages.